So we're here at day 2 at the National Ploughing Championships, and I have George Graham here with me down at the sheep shearing stand. So George, we're going to have a bit of a chat and then we're going to go and you're going to show me how to shear one of these sheep.
So you're up for the challenge, yeah?
Yeah. I'll try anyways. So George, how long have you been shearing sheep, or how long have you been in this game?
Well, I give away my age, but I won't tell you my age. It's 55 years since I shore my first sheep.
Oh my God.
And I've actually shored in 30 in different countries. So yeah, I've seen a lot of the world. It's got me around the world, and I have been privileged to have represented Ireland 10 times in World Championships.
And what's going on here today? Is there any competitions running or?
Yeah, here today, actually yesterday we had the All-Ireland demonstrations and talks on farm safety and mental health all day, but today we have the All-Ireland Lamb Shearing Championships. It's a great championship, and Ivan Scott actually here, the world record holder, the man that shore 867 lambs in 9 hours. He will be defending his All-Ireland Lamb Shearing title. We were shearing about 450 lambs here today, and about 60 competitors taking part. So yeah, it's going to be a great day and a great show here.
And then what age range are they running between, or is there any kids?
In shearing we don't really work in age, as you know with myself. But from quite young, we have a couple of shears here, 16, 17 and up to quite senior. There's 5 different categories. In junior being the beginner grade, intermediate, senior and open for the machine shearing, and then we have the blade shearing, or the hand shearing as it was known as well. It's a great tradition, so we have a good team of shearers here for that as well.
And then what's kind of the fastest time someone has shore sheep or lamb in, do you know?
Well, there's a lot of different things.
Record?
We actually do individual lambs sometimes in a speed shear, and that time has been got down to 14, 15 seconds. So quite fast, but the average run of shearing in everyday shearing for most shearers is a minute and a half to 2 minutes. Depending on the sheep you're shearing as well, they can vary quite a lot.
And they're kind of mad looking shoes you've got on you there. What's the idea of them?
They're what we call Leprechaun Shoes. The reason we wear them, actually, when we're shearing, you won't slip on the board. You've good control with your feet, and we were all born in our bare feet, so the most natural way of walking is in your bare feet. And we have to bend our back right down to the ground when we're shearing. Straight down, and if I'm wearing big heavy soled boots, that means you have to push your back down that much further. So they're very comfortable for the shearing, but they're strictly for shearing.
Yeah, they look comfortable.
Yeah.
Sure, I suppose we'll move over now and have a go at this.
And you're sure you're up for this challenge?
Yeah.
Yeah, well what we'll do is I'll take a lamb out and I'll shear part of the lamb, and I'll explain what I do as I'm going along, and then it'll be in all your hands after that.
Okay.
Very good.
Yeah, we'll do that.
We'll just check our machine first and make sure everything is in order.
Hilarious.
And at all times, whether we're shearing in competition or on the farm or just a demonstration like this, the most important thing of all, we look after the welfare of the animal.
Yeah,
that's really crucial.
Definitely,
yeah.
Jesus. Oh my God.
So we take the sheep out the same way all the time, and we start off on actually the belly of the sheep, which is from the top of the brisket right down to the flank at each side. So to start doing that, I must tuck away this foreleg just out behind my hip and make sure the sheep is sitting quite comfortable there.
Yeah. Oh, geez.
So we start off always starting each blow and finishing each blow on the skin. So that's the belly wool cleared off now, and we always take the belly wool out to one side. So we go right around the crutch area. These are prepared for competition, and we get around the sheep movement and get into the first hind leg. Using the left hand to stretch out the skin all the time. And one blow on the upper side of the backbone and one on the lower side. So that's the first hind leg and underline done. Now if there's head wool on the sheep, it comes off here. My left hand goes down to the top of the brisket, my left foot forward and the right foot in between the sheep's back legs. The sheep is quite comfortable. I don't have to use my hands to hold the sheep.
Oh my God.
Clean off the sheep, right up to the ear. Just take the ear in my hand, not to squeeze the ear. Just up and around the back of the head. Dropping down into the first shoulder. And my feet are moving all the time as well. Getting the sheep around parallel with the dropper and dropping down for the long blowers.
Oh my God.
Now all the weight's on my left foot, so I step over with the right.
Oops, the sheep skipped.
So I find the backbone here and one blow over and turn to come down the last side.
Oh, Jesus.
Stepping back with my left foot. The sheep's head is still locked between my knees. And your big moment is getting very close now.
Okay. Oh, God.
So now you're ready for the challenge?
Yeah.
So do you want to hold the sheep?
Yeah, I'll hold him.
Yeah, so you can see, you can actually let the sheep's head up like this if you want, and just hold the sheep like that.
Okay.
So you see where my left foot is? Just get your left foot in there, and your right foot in there. Yeah, that'll be good. So you just keep the handpiece right down on the skin, and it goes along on the skin nice and easy like that.
Okay, and how do I get
And
it
we'll
to
start
go?
back here, and I'll start the handpiece for you. Well, just keep your hand flat here, yeah, like that, that's good. I think you've done this before, have you?
No.
So we've Emma here now shearing her first time to test the shear sheep from AgriLand. Down and out the back leg she goes. We'll get you back again, and we'll keep that bottom tooth right down on the skin. Along nice and easy. Cleaning off. We might enter you in the All-Ireland lamb shearing competition here today as well. So you're going to become very, very famous.
Oh, Jesus.
So this is Emma now, you're watching. Down and out the back leg she goes. Doing a beautiful job.
Leaving a good bit behind.
Yeah, well, we'll still get that off. And the animal is very, very happy. And we'll go along there, we'll keep it right down. And back here as well. And you can use your left hand here just a little bit. Go right out. That's good. And get. You definitely must have done this before, I believe. Really good. Good control of the sheep. That's the really important thing. Anybody can shear a sheep. The holding control is a big secret to shearing. And we just have a little bit back here.
No sheep still going.
Now you can hold the lamb now, and I'll stop the machine and we can have a look at the shorn lamb.
Oh, lovely.
Very good. If you want to let the lamb stand up now and have a look as well.
Don't run away.
That's Emma's shorn lamb now, you're watching. And the lamb is saying hello as well at the same time.
Wait, lamb.
Yeah, and that's saying hello. And
That's
thank
great.
you very much, it says.
Thank you.
So these
Thank you, George.
That's a clean lamb, a lovely lamb for shearing actually.
Yep.
So you're happy?
Yep. Thanks
Very
very
good.
much, George.
Thanking you.
I think I'm in the wrong game.
You're all right? Yeah, I think you better take up this job.
That's great. Thanks very much, George.
Happy enough? Any
Enjoy
questions?
the rest of your day.
Any questions? Are you happy?
No, no questions for me.
That's
I
good.
enjoyed that.
Well, thanks for that and best of luck.
Yeah, you
We'll
too.
see you in the future.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Thanks very much.
Yeah, thanks a lot.